Step-by-step guide to carry out online arbitration hearing. Carrying out your online arbitration hearings is now easy with Indian Dispute Resolution Center. Only advocates, law firms, client and corporate entities who are registered either as an arbitrator, mediator, client, conciliator or an advocate with IDRC are eligible for carrying out online arbitration, conciliation and mediation. Now log in by filling your registered email ID and password on the IDRC portal. On the hearing date, the arbitrator, mediator or conciliator, the clients and their advocates shall join the IDRC virtual hearing room by logging into the VC link with secured password. Now for carrying out the online arbitration hearing, the arbitrator, mediator, conciliator, the client and the advocates can also log into their respective accounts and reach their case page through their IDRC dashboard. Now from here, they will be able to access the previous proceeding sheet and case file containing the claim petition, the reply and the other documents anytime during the hearing of their case from the IDRC cloud. Everyone concerned can carry on with their day's work and upon completion of the same, the concerned shall record the preceding sheet for the day in the text box given below and append digital signature on the same. A copy of the same can be shared with all concerned via email. Once the hearing is concluded, the arbitrator, the mediator or the conciliator can fix the next hearing as per the continence of the parties through the IDRC booking interface. Click on the Assign Hearing Date button, select the mode of hearing as online hearing. Now you can check on the stenographer and VC recording options which are optional and chargeable on hourly basis excluding the booking amount. Now select the date of hearing and choose time of hearing, hours and persons, then click on the Assign Date and then the Close button. Upon conclusion of hearing, the arbitrator, mediator or conciliator can pass the arbitral award, record the mediated or conciliated settlement in the preceding sheet box and append their signatures on the same. A copy of the same can be shared with all the concerned via email. Indian Dispute Resolution Center, helping good people resolve.